I want to share my experience previously on this platform before I go ahead sharing the updates of today's platform. Now this particular platform has upgraded. I'm still going to show you how you can navigate this platform. Previously I was able to use 500 naira to make 200,000 naira just as an investment on this platform. Now in this video, this is an upgraded version of this platform. So what we'll be doing right now is to direct you on how to start up with this platform and how you can leverage more. But before we dive into it, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Cash Value, and so what we do right here is to share the experience I have tested and how you also can leverage these platforms that are introduced to you. Now before we go ahead, all we ask is to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to click the first link on the pinned comment section and you're going to be brought into this interface. Now once you sign up on this platform, you're going to be given 300 naira for free. This is what you need to do. Now since you're coming into this platform for the first time, once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. Now this is the registration interface. You just have to input a unique username, put in your mobile number, then enter a password, then confirm this password, then come down right here and click on register. But since I have an account on this platform, what I'm going to do right now is just to log in. Immediately you log into your account, you'll be given 300 naira as a welcome bonus. Now this is what you need to do before you start up with this platform. When you look at your dashboard, you can actually see that you have the recharge, the withdraw, add bank details, gift, join Telegram group, password, and the likes of others. You can actually see that this particular platform has a Telegram group and also a WhatsApp group. That is, if you have any issues on your account, you can quickly contact them. Now this is what you want to do on your account. Once you sign up to your account, the first thing you want to do is to come to where it says add bank details. Okay, so once you come to add bank details, all you have to do right here is to enter your password and enter your bank details, because what you'll be doing on this platform is to make withdrawals of your earnings. So once that is done, you come down right here and click on it, and you can see that it is either paid or bank account. You can just go ahead to click on bank account. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing you want to do right here is to go back to the home button where you are going to be seeing a product. Now this is what is going to generate you income on your account. Now when you come right here, you can actually see that you can start with 3,000 naira right on this platform, and your daily income will be 780 naira. In less than 3 days, you'll be making more of what you actually invested right on this platform. If you look at the right, you can actually see that the shop too, you can invest 5,000 naira and you'll be making a daily profit of 1,300 naira. Now in total of these 60 days, you'll be making 78,000 naira for yourself, while in the total of the one of shop one, you'll be making a total of 46,800 naira for 60 days. Now there are several packages right here on this platform. Whichever one you have actually decided to go for, the next thing you want to do right now, you have decided to go for, let's say you have decided to go for the shop one, just come over to your account. You're going to be seeing the recharge button right here. Come over to recharge and it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can actually see that you have the minimum deposit of 3,000 naira. Now let's go ahead to click on 3,000 naira. Then you come down right here where it says recharge, click on recharge, and it's going to take you over to an interface. All you have to do is to copy the account number. As you can actually see, the name of which you are actually transferring this money to and the account details. So once we have done transferring this exact amount, we are coming back here to click on recharge complete. So I'm going over to my mobile app just to transfer 3,000 naira down to this platform. And so when you look at the name on this account, you can actually see that we are having Franklin Johnson. So when you come to my pay account right here, you can actually see that we have the details of this particular person we are transferring this fund to, Franklin Johnson. So I'm going to click on next and I'm going to add my 3,000 naira right here. And I'm going to say fund my account. Okay, then I'm going to come down here and click on confirm. So I'm going to pay 3,000 naira down to this platform right now. So you are going to be seeing that I have actually transferred 3,000 naira to this platform. The next thing I want to do right here is to come to my account, and I'm going to come down right here and enter my bank name, which is Ope, and I'm going to enter the sender's name, which is my name right here. Just follow the process I'm using to fund my account. So right now I've actually inputted my name right here, and I'm going to click on recharge complete. As you can see, successful. So after you've clicked on recharge, you just have to wait for some time for your recharge to be approved. Now when you come under record, you can actually see that this is showing pending. So when it's approved, you're going to be having this on your dashboard. So you're just going to wait for a little while for this to appear on your account before you can go ahead to start purchasing the product right on this platform. So guys, when you look at my account balance right now, you can see that it has reflected and I have a total balance of 3,300 naira. Now the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to where it says product. Okay, so once you come over to product, you can actually see that this shop one actually is for 3,000 naira, and that is actually what I have on my account. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on invest. Now it's going to show me the full details of what I need to do about this particular investment. Now it says description is VIP1, daily income is 780 naira. Now total income is 46,800 naira, and for 60 days. You know, I told you that this particular platform is going to last for a month. Okay, so this is actually an advantage if you're going to start using this platform right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on invest, and you can actually see buy successfully. So right now on this platform, I am on VIP1 and I've actually started my investment on this platform. Now to actually check the details of your investment, all you just have to do is to come over to where you can see D record. So once you click on D record, you can actually see that this particular investment has been approved. So what I'll be doing daily is just to come in every 24 hours to place my withdrawal. Okay, so particularly when you come over to withdraw, you can actually see that you just have to put in your login password, your bank details, and select paid. Then you are going to be placing a withdrawal right on this platform. So you are going to click on confirm. Then whenever you want to place withdrawal, you just have to click on withdraw, and your account details has already been saved. You're going to be having this directly into your Nigeria bank account. Now when you come down, you're going to be seeing the Telegram group. You can click on that and you can quickly join their Telegram channel and get more information about this. Also, you can join their WhatsApp group and also get some information about this platform. Now if you actually want to increase or maximize your earnings on this platform, all you have to do right now is to come over to team, and you're going to be seeing your affiliate link right here, and you're going to copy it and share with your friends. So whoever you invite to this platform and start using this platform, you will be getting a rebate commission for yourself instantly. And so that is all about this platform. You can find the link below the pinned comment section and set up an account for yourself. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.